Maaasahan po ninyo na sa bagong Pilipinas, ating itataguyod ang magandang kinabukasan sa bawat isang Pilipino. Maging inspirasyon natin lahat ang tagumpay ng BPSN. I look forward that you will continue to be accountable, reliable, and efficient in bringing our people closer to the opportunities that they all deserve. Your cooperation with the national government is invaluable, for it is only with your help that we can achieve our shared aspirations.